picture on a Friday evening. What a nice smile you got. I don't know you anymore. Staring in the mirror on a Monday morning, 8:15. Singing, you don't know me anymore.
Yesterday I reminisced for a little while. I used to stare up at the stars as a little child, and everywhere I went I always wore a little smile.
And how you feel now?
Feeling like I'm in denial,
oblivious to the chaos I played on. All them sunny days and blue skies, singing out the same song. Thinking about the rainbow, not thinking about the rainstorm. Thinking about my Lego, not thinking how to stay strong.
Yeah. At nighttime mama used to whisper in my ear lullabies of a prince so crystal clear. But as I slept, those eyes started dripping tears. We broke the bank 5 times in a fiscal year.
We were kids then, young bucks, living life, having fun. Every day's a chance for the things that you haven't done. I wouldn't trade it for the world if I had've known. I couldn't stay forever young, so I had to go.
Staring at your picture on a Friday